Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have I'd call it a mid-range dashcam. It's the BlueSkySea B1W Dashcam. This is on Amazon at the moment for only £53. So it's full 1080p HD, a wide-angled lens of 150 degrees, 360 degree rotation, so the camera does rotate 360 degrees. So a 2M CMOS chip, and it is Wi-Fi as well, so you can connect this to your phone using the app as well. So in the box you get the camera itself, you get the camera mount, in-car charging cable, instruction manual, a separate micro USB cable, and a bag of accessories, cable clips, and some additional 3M stickers, and a little cloth wipe. So first, give you a closer look at the in-car charger, because it just looks like it's any normal molded charger, but it's got a little flap on it which you twist round, and you have an additional USB port in there, so you can charge additional devices while this is plugged into the actual dashcam itself, which I thought was pretty cool. So this is the B1W Dashcam, and you can twist this round. It goes all the way around and round again. And there you have the BlueSkySea logo. Has a microphone and a tiny little speaker. At the top here, this is a button. When you press the button, it takes an emergency photo. On the other end here, micro SD card slot and micro USB for powering the device. Now this dashcam does not have a battery in there. Inside here it has a capacitor, so which is supposed to be a lot better and safer than using batteries, especially in a windscreen and in the hot summer where it can get really, really hot. Batteries can be dangerous, expand or explode. So it's safe to use in extremely hot conditions, and it has been very, very hot recently. So it comes with the mount which sticks to obviously the glass, your windscreen, and that just slots on like that, and there's a little click to it as well. The sticker, I've had it stuck to my windscreen for a couple of weeks and the sticker has come off, but you do get a replacement one in the bag here, so I can pop that on, because I've took it off to show you for the purpose of this video. But in here you get a couple of replacements for that, which is good. There's a couple in there, cable clips, cloth, and a little tool as well. So that's pretty much the camera and the contents. It's Wi-Fi enabled. It also has a parking sensor which is activated by the G sensor, so if it does notice any knocks, it will start recording, and it will record 30 seconds of footage. And the beauty of it being micro USB, I'm sure a lot of people have plenty of micro USB cables lying around, plugged into the wall, and we can power it on here. And you get a little bleep and a green light there. There's no SD card in there. Okay, SD card will be inserted. I'll just use a SanDisk. SanDisk is 16 gigabyte. Okay, SD card is in. Power. But I'm going to connect to this now using the app. Now the application you need. So that is the application you need, B1W Car CVR. We can open that up, but you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's connect to it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Connect. You'll sometimes get a message on your phone, depending on what phone you've got, saying there's no internet. You just got to click yes when that comes up. Here we go. Yes. Open the app, click to connect, and we are now connected. Right, so you'll do everything on this application. So you can do anything. You can take the photo snap from here, snapshot success. You can go full screen. It's not seeing much at the moment. Let's spin it round. Okay, so here is the view it's recording at the moment. You can mute the mic on there. You can click back. And the settings, top right. You have to stop recording though to enter that. And then here we have a plethora of settings. The resolution is 1080 and 720. You can choose video partition. So you have 1 minute recordings, 3 or 5 minutes. Set it to 5. You can have the watermark, time watermark, sound recording, voice prompts. So that's when it talks to you about an SD card detected. You can modify the Wi-Fi password, change the frequency, capacity allocation. Not too sure what that is. SD card storage. Okay, so it's to do with your SD card storage settings. G sensor. Let's turn it on to high. Okay, so that's for your parking. Time format, format SD card, synchronize phone time, restore, and the version. That is pretty much it. You control it all by this application. So let's try the G sensor. If I there you go. Tapped it and it started recording. Stop recording. Let's try again. If I tap it. Yeah. Let me change the sensitivity to low. Let's see what we get here. So it's not recording. Let's tap it. Okay, that's not. If we shake the table. Okay, that's quite a bang you need there to register that. So obviously this is where you got to set it accordingly. So middle. Let's try it on middle. That's a little tap. Okay. So the G sensor works. If you're hit or anything like that, then the camera will kick in and start recording. But I'd recommend have it on medium or high setting. Stop recording. There's all the emergency videos. So I haven't recorded any normal video on here yet. Emergency video. They're the videos that will capture if your car has been knocked or anything like that. And you can play them from here. Okay. That's where you get all your emergency videos. Picture list. One picture, which I took earlier on. If I start a normal video recording. Stop the video. We should get a video in the video list. There we go. So all your videos will be there and emergency videos there. That, guys, is pretty much it in a nutshell. The interface, really easy to use. Connecting to the camera is easy. Wi-Fi direct. So initially when you're installing the camera in your car, you may need to connect to the app just to make sure you have the camera adjusted correctly and you've got the right angle, which I did have to do. And then you're on your way. So pretty much all I've got to leave you with now is the actual quality of the camera itself, the recording quality. Audio quality is fine, it picks up quite well. Remember, it's a mid-range dash cam. There's some night vision footage coming up, which I think isn't too bad. The sky at the top, the dark sky, you will see quite a little bit of graininess and a little bit of noise in there. But on the whole, I think the night vision isn't too bad at all. And the daytime video footage is pretty decent as well. It's around £53 on Amazon at the moment. I'm going to leave you now with the footage, a few minutes of footage. Let me know, guys, what you think to the camera. Links will be in the description below if you want to purchase one. Give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, a bit more night vision on the Blue Sky Dashcam.